Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back. We are going to be going over some questions on our life skills topic of this week, which was laundry. And before we start our activity, let's review a bit on doing the laundry. So always remember that first we have to put the laundry in the washer. Once we have put the laundry in the washer, we have to add detergent and select our cycle. Then we add wet clothes to the dryer. Afterwards, when the dryer is done, we fold our clothes. And then we put it away in our dresser or our closet.
Teachers, please dismiss bus 9. Teachers, please dismiss bus 9.
So now, let's begin with our questions. So question number 1, boys and girls, it says, I can do laundry. First, I blank the laundry basket to the washer. So what do you do first? Do you basket the laundry basket to the washer? Do you carry the basket to the washer? Do you dryer the laundry basket to the washer? Or do you iron the laundry basket to the washer? Yes, boys and girls, correct. We carry the laundry basket to the washer. Question number 2 says, what comes first? A, then I sort the clothes and put them in the washer. Or B, now it's time to fold and iron the clothes. So what do you do first? Do you put your clothes in the washer? Or do you iron and fold your clothes first? Awesome job. Yes, boys and girls. First, we sort our clothes and put them in the washer. How are we going to fold and iron the clothes if they're dirty? No, first we wash them and then after several steps, we fold and we iron the clothes. Question number 3, true or false? When the washer is done, put the clothes in the dryer. Is that true or is that false? Yes, that is true. We have to put the clothes in the dryer once it's done in the washer. So like it says here, when the washer is done, put the clothes into the dryer. Good job, boys and girls. You all are doing amazing. Now question number 4. At the end, I finally put away all the clothes into my closet and my soap, basket, washer, or dresser. Which one is it? Yes, good job, in our dresser. So once they're washed and they're dry and we have ironed them and folded them, we put it away. And some clothes go in our closet and others go in our dresser. Good job. Now our final question. True or false? Only grown-ups can do laundry. Is that true? Only grown-ups, like our parents, our older sisters and brothers and grandparents and aunts and uncles can do laundry? Or is it false? Anyone can do laundry. Good job, boys and girls. It is false. Remember, anyone can do laundry. Even little kids. Look, she's small and she's still doing laundry. Obviously, she has the help of an adult, but anyone can do laundry, boys and girls. You don't have to be a grown-up in order to do laundry. Amazing. Awesome job, boys and girls. You all did amazing today on your activity on doing the laundry.
Teachers, please dismiss 1 through 10 pickup students. Teachers, please dismiss 1 through 10 pickup students.
Give yourself a pat in the back for doing so amazing. Once you are done, check your team's channel to see where you will be heading today. Goodbye, boys and girls.